Operation Management, Quality Function Deployment, QFD. We are going to explain about Quality Function Deployment QFD steps in our research. We choose to represent Watson as our main, while competitors we choose Guardian Store and Wellness Store. Watson is one of the famous drugstore around Malaysia with almost 8 outlets around Kota Bharu, Kelantan, which is our research area.
Step 1 is develop a list of customers' requirements. There are 5 from 8 listed criteria is chosen for customer requirement column. Criteria chosen are location, special treatment, promotion, price and shop variety. Step 2 is developing a list of technical design elements. Next step is on section B of the questionnaire. The 5 elements of technical requirement chosen for Watson are space, safety equipment, quality of tiles, lighting and self-service scanner. Number 1 is space. Space needed for comfortability of customer while shopping in the store. Number 2 is safety equipment to ensure safety around store. Number 3 is quality of tiles to lessen injuries and damage.
Number 4 is lighting for customer comfortability and make the drugstore look interesting. 5 is self-service scanner for customer to check the price of product easily.
Step 3. Illustration of the relationship between the customer's requirement and technical requirement to relate both with specific symbol to represent score. Fill the boxes by entering score that customer given in section B as shown in the diagram.
Step 4. Identify intercorrelation between all the technical requirements. To make sure either each design element are positively or negatively related. This step also requires few symbols to show the level of intercorrelation as shown in the diagram given. Step 5. Perform competitive assessment. From section C questionnaire, assessment of technical requirement to Watson and competitors are made. We represented each shop in House of Quality as below.
Step 6. Prioritizing customer requirement. In section D of questionnaire, focus on customer requirement priorities that include importance, target value, sales point, absolute weight.
In this step, for important, respondent rate the criteria based on 10-point scale in section D questionnaire. Target value set on 5-point scale with 1. No change, 3. Improve the store, 5. Make store better than competitor. Next, sale point established by our team for the scale. 1. Low sale effect. 2. High sale effects. To find absolute weight is equal customer important times target value times sale point.
Step 7. Prioritizing technical requirement. That priorities by determining degree of difficulty, target value, absolute weight and related weight. First, for degree of difficulty, assigned by our team member using 10 scale point, which is 1. Least difficult, 10 most difficult. For target value, in technical requirement, it's defined the same way as step 6. For absolute weight, summation of value in technical requirement and customer requirement column times important. For relative weight, it is a product of column of relationship between customer requirement and technical requirement, also customer requirement absolute weight.
Step 8. Final evaluation. In last step, relative weight and absolute weight are evaluated to determine what engineering need to do to improve design based on the customer input by calculating percentage weight factor, which are absolute weight and relative weight. This is the complete diagram of our House of Quality.